Hello, welcome again. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use various features of EasyTalk Meeting. This is the view of EasyTalk Meeting room. Here at the bottom you can see a bar where you can find many options. Like first option is video. The next one is audio. These options can be used to enable video and audio. Like right now the video is not enabled. Next is chat option. Here messages can be posted in this chat box, and there are options of smileys here. We can use smileys. And next option is poll. We can already created polls can be used here, and immediate reaction or feedback can be taken from the participants. Next is room option. This we can choose based on our type of meeting. And here more we can find meeting information. Here the complete meeting information will be given. And next, settings. Different types of settings can be controlled from here. First is general, and there are various options here, like automatically login after EasyTalk runs, and then language option is there, auto or English it is taking. Next option is checkbox is there for the proxy server, and some other options are also there. And for meetings there are some options like show chats, share computer sound, video, turn on the camera when meeting starts, view video status, and based on our choice we can check these boxes and enable the feature. Display can be changed from here if we want widescreen or we want the original ratio. And camera can be also selected from here. And there is one more tab for the camera control, and we can save whatever settings we have done, we can save from here. The next is for messages. Show floating notification when a chat message received it. And the next option is play sound when a chat message is received. So by clicking them we can enable this feature. For local recording, some more options we will find here. Let us see. Video recording type, video and audio or audio only. Right now by default the video and audio option is selected, and also we can change the path or the folder where the recording is getting saved. And here is frame rate for the video recording. By default it is 6. So whenever we make any kind of changes we can save them. At the end bottom right corner you will see end meeting link. By clicking here we can leave the meeting or end the meeting. And top right corner you will find at top right corner you will find 3 icons. One is minimizing the EasyTalk window, next widescreen or restore down, and next one is to close it. Now apart from all these features, one more important feature is there, that is share screen. So by clicking share screen we get 2 options. Either we can share the desktop or we can share the whiteboard. Let us share the whiteboard. Yes. Immediately we click the share whiteboard. We'll find that a new whiteboard opens up and the toolbar gets shifted to the top of the window. And one more toolbar that is related to sharing appears here, like sharing whiteboard, hide annotations, annotations allowed, pause sharing, and stop sharing. These things we find. And left hand side we find the video. Here we get three options, like either we can minimize the video or we can have a very mini size video here. Now this is the whiteboard toolbar. Here we will find some tools and one color palette. Pencil can be used to write on the board, and pencil weight can be selected from these three lines. Either we can select the thinnest one or the middle or the thickest one. And the type of line that we want to choose, we can choose from these three lines, and the color can be selected from here. Suppose I want the thickest line and I want dotted line and I want in pink color, then I can create a triangle here like this. Suppose I want to change the line type and dotted line type, and I want to change the color, then I can change it now like this. And now if I want to keep a smallest one along with this color pattern, then I can use and prepare a draft like this. Okay, and now next is now suppose I want to write down something, then I have to click this text, and I can choose from here various font sizes, like from 6 to 16, and by clicking here you'll find a text box, and here we can type like this. And if we want to change the color, we can change from here, and want a smaller size, then this. Now highlighter, one option that is of highlighter. If you want to highlight something, suppose I want to highlight this welcome, so I can highlight like this. Hello, I want to highlight this, I can highlight by this. Next option is eraser. If I want to erase something, this is not good, so this I want to erase. I want to erase the highlighted portion, then I can simply select the eraser and I can select the portion that I want to erase. Now this important tool, one more important tool, that is select. By clicking select and clicking on the text, I can select it and I can move it around. I can select the shape also and I can move it around. So by clicking the select option, we can select the text box or the shape that we have created, and we can move them. Suppose I have done some work in this worksheet whiteboard, and I want one more whiteboard, and I don't want to erase this. Why? Because later on for reference I want it. So I can add in top left corner, you'll find whiteboard number 1, and here one plus sign is there, and we can insert one more whiteboard, and you can see here two whiteboards are there, 1 and 2. Here now again I can use this, and I can create anything I want, and in that way I can keep on adding the more and more whiteboards. Now next is save. If I want to save, then I can save the whiteboards and it will be saved in the folder that later on I can use or retrieve. And annotation allowed is I can give control to the other participants or students to annotate on this whiteboard. and if I want to pause sharing, I can pause from this button. If I want to stop sharing, I can stop from this button. So right now I want to stop sharing, so I will be stopping it. Now again we see if I want to share the desktop, so I can click this option and you'll find that there are many options available here at taskbar. So if I want the Google Chrome window to be open, then I have to click on the small icon that is visible at the bottom of the screen, and next click OK, and it's very fast. Quickly we go to the screen that we clicked. So here also you can see one video, and you can minimize it, and even we can close it, and we can navigate through the different tabs, Google tabs. Now again at the top you'll find a toolbar, and below it you will find a screen sharing toolbar, in which first option it shows that screen sharing, next show annotation, next is mouse and keyboard control that can be given to participants also. So by clicking the drop down menu we can find some more options. Next is pause sharing. If you want to pause sharing for some time, then we can click this button, and at last is the stop sharing button. So right now I will stop sharing. So now we have explored almost all the features of Easy Talk meetings. So now we can end the meeting by clicking this button and meeting. And it will ask, are you sure to leave the session? You can say okay. So in this video we have explored almost all the options, features available in a Easy Talk meeting. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.